Alright, time to drink some water. Let's drink. Peace and quiet. Plus the view is also amazing. I think we better get going. Right. Wow. Pretty nice. This looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. Padmavati Machi. So we will have to go all the way over here, climb all the way on the top near that hut, from there behind that, through this ridge, all the way down into the village over there, somewhere over there, not too sure, but that is the road. Right, let's get going. I think I will have to hold on. Alright, buddy, let's go. This bag is gonna make things a little bit painful, but not too painful, because I have a good understanding of technical skills. So one foot over here, one foot over here, one over here, one over here, hand over here, 3-point hold. It's very easy. And now we can just simply, while maintaining our balance, simply walk down. Unless I twist my ankle, nothing serious is gonna hopefully happen. Alright. La 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 la. It's getting very hot and humid, man. Fuck. Alright. Closing it out.